Hello everyone and welcome once again to another section on DIA. Today we'll be doing a 3D model of a Captain America shield. So some months ago I stumbled across a video done by Additive Manufacturing Media. It was at the International Manufacturing Trade Show, and there they showcased a 3D printed Captain America shield. It was actually printed in
Link is in
titanium
the description below.
on a Velo 3D printer, and it was quite big. So today we basically just be doing a 3D model of a shield like Captain America. So a Captain America shield. So we create a sketch. Create a sketch of front plane. So we'll just draw one half of the profile. Basically one half, and we'll revolve, and we have our shield. So but between now and that we have to create our sketch. So we're drawing an arc. Okay, so make this it's about, let's say, 600 mm wide. So we'll have this for 300, so that would do. I will have this mirrored because I just want it mirrored. So use a 3-point arc. It's not yet defined. Okay, the height. We're using a height of 80. So sketch is defined now. The next I'm gonna do is gonna offset the arc. One offset. Now make it -6. So we're creating some little recess on the shield, but not so much. Okay, so distance from this to the center, make this let's change this. Let's make it -2. It's just a little recess. We'll do a third offset. Make this 100. I think I'll go with 80. It is fine. Make this 150. and this could be for 220. Okay, so do a third offset. That will be a 6mm. And 6. Let's make it 8. Let's make it 8. So we'll do a sweep, revolve, sorry. That'll give us hash profile. So revolve, select this, just hold down control, you can select. So axis, and there we have it. Our shield is sticking form. Okay. There's our shield. It's good. It's good. So next we'll be creating the star at the center. For Extrude, do a project. So I don't want to start touching the edge of the inner circle, so we just make the circle less, and 150 is okay. Those were the lines representing the vertices of the star. What next? We want to make all sides of the star equal in terms of angle. So sometimes it could be funny or tricky, but if you do the maths, you get it right. So the angle each center of each vertices should make with the other is about 72 degrees. So you just have to maintain that 72 degrees between each side of the star. Is about 90, which is that's not correct, so we believe that. That's supposed to be 72. I think it's snapping somewhere. Do it again. Okay. Right. Just 72. So there's the mirror. So if we should check all of them, you see to give you 72. Yep. Okay. So that's just one face. So we need to draw a star. That will be about 18 degrees. Do a mirror. Yeah. And that will be about 18 degrees also. So if you see, I'm selecting the first dimension. The moment I pick a dimension on each side of the stars, this is whenever I make an update, the update would automatically update others. So extrude, join, not extrude quotes. Okay. So create sketch. So we'll do a revolve cut for this part. So select front plane. Next we would create an intersection which gives us a curve. That is, the curve will take the profile of the shield. I'll hide the body. So I'll just create circle. It's not really at the center, but it's just gonna be concentric with this profile. We'll make it concentric so it snaps to the center of those ones. Now we'll drag the circle and make it coincident so it takes that profile. We'll do the same, or we'll just create a 3-point arc this time. Whichever way works for you is fine. 3-point arc, and once it's tangential, you're good to go. So like I said, what we want to do is a revolve cut. So draw a cut profile, trim this out. I just need 1/2 of it, so don't really mind. Okay. The Revolve got big boot profiles, center axis. We'll just hide the body so we can see the center line. So Revolve got there. That's a shield looking all nice and straight. So what do we do next? We would so from the one Velo 3D made, because printed in titanium, so won't be bad, right? So let's use titanium. Okay, so I won't be doing the base, that is the handle for it, in this particular video. I don't know if I'll do that, but the idea is just to do the shield. So we'll be adding appearance. So make this part red. So each segment, just basically click on the surface of the particular segment you want to change the color, then you drag, select this, then we'll drag the white to it. So for the center blue, select that first. Need to have that selected. Okay, it's selected now, so we'll drag to it. So voila, it looks nice. So there you have shoes looking good. So save, and that's our shield. Alright, so that's your Captain America shield. So we could have this 3D printed, maybe in metal printing or some other form, FDM most likely, and we'll see how it goes. So one of the things Velo tried to showcase in their own was the ability to print without support. So the shield was printed without a support. That too, you could see how this model performs with that. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.